Hi, I'm Jesse Santagrossi, a systems engineer with McNaughton-McKay, and today we're going to be setting up an SMC Flex in Studio 5000. First, set the IP address, whether it's from the HIM module or boot P, which I have already done for this exercise. Next, right-click the Ethernet network and select New Module. Search for the SMC Flex, click Create, give the SMC a name, and enter in the IP address assigned to the SMC. Click OK, and Create. Now we close the Module Select window, double-click on the SMC added into the tree on the left side. Select Parameters. Under All Ports, select the SMC. Under the Parameters drop-down, expand Setup, then select Basic Setup. From here, we will start to set up the SMC. Note that all the parameter numbers are displayed on the left-hand side. First, you will start with the motor connection parameter. You will select if your motor is wired up for line or a delta connection. Next, you will set your motor voltage. The default is 480 volt. From here, you will select what SMC starting mode you want, such as soft start, current limit, or full voltage. Soft start mode is the most common. Next is the ramp time. This will be how long it takes the SMC to ramp up to full speed. 10 seconds is usually sufficient enough, but depending on the application, you might need to set this either shorter or longer. 70% initial torque is the default and typically good for most applications. The current limit parameter is only active when using the current limit starting mode. This will limit the current to a certain percentage of the FLA when starting. Stop input will control how your SMC stops, whether it would be coast, smart motor braking, or AccuStop. Coast is the most common stopping mode. For Ethernet control with the SMC Flex, you will disable option input 1 and 2. If you have an I/O card, you will disable those option inputs as well. Overload is available in class 10, 15, 20, or 30. Motor FLC is where you will enter in the motor nameplate FLC. The SMC Flex offers 4 configurable aux contacts. The most common options are using them for alarms, faults, or up to speed. Last, we need to configure our logic mask to allow communication. Go back up to the basic setup drop-down and select all parameters. Then type 87 into the search bar and set the logic mask to 32 to enable port 5 on the SMC Flex. And then click OK. And now you are ready to communicate and start the SMC from Studio 5000. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any questions, please contact your local Rockwell distributor or visit us online.